This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain the French Revolution. We'll explore its origins and the key events that unfolded. This pivotal period dramatically transformed France and had lasting effects worldwide. Understanding its causes helps us grasp its significance. We'll cover the initial spark and the major shifts that followed, providing a clear overview of this complex historical moment. Several factors ignited the French Revolution. Widespread economic struggles, including a substantial national debt, burdened the populace. Society was sharply divided, with the Third Estate bearing heavy taxes while the nobility enjoyed privileges. Enlightenment philosophies advocating for individual rights and popular sovereignty also played a crucial role. Additionally, severe food shortages exacerbated public anger, setting the stage for revolt. The revolution saw many dramatic events. The storming of the Bastille in July symbolized the start of the uprising against royal authority. Soon after, the Declaration of the Rights of Man and of the Citizen established fundamental freedoms. The monarchy was ultimately abolished, leading to the establishment of a republic. This era also included the intense and often violent Reign of Terror, a time of significant political purges. The French Revolution left an indelible mark on history. It permanently dismantled absolute monarchy in France, paving the way for new forms of governance. Its core principles of liberty, equality, and fraternity resonated far beyond French borders, inspiring numerous subsequent revolutions and democratic movements. The revolution also fostered a strong sense of national identity, fundamentally altering the political landscape of Europe and beyond.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.